How to speak with well-known celebrities. 1. Send a message using a variety of platforms. You should exercise caution when doing this. Some people might think it's overly aggressive to bombard a celebrity with messages across all of their internet accounts. You may cycle between these platforms, testing two at first, then another two. 2. Use Facebook to get in touch with a celebrity. If you can, friend the famous person on Facebook. If not, like their page instead. On this network, many celebrities disable private messaging, but you can frequently still contact them by writing on their wall. If you have the ability to send private messages, do so with a kind invitation to get in touch. Inform the celebrity in your message of your feelings for them and the reasons they are significant to you. Personalizing your message could increase the likelihood that you'll hear back. 3. On Instagram, attract the attention of your celebrity. It never hurts to try sending a direct message, even if some celebrities could disable private communications. Observe your celebrity's posts and images and leave comments. A famous person might respond to a comment at any time. Post pictures that are similar to those on the celebrity's Instagram. Use images of shared interests to establish a connection with the celebrity. Use the same hashtags as the celebrity in your posted images or hashtag the image with their name. However, try to limit your hashtagging to avoid coming off as cocky or annoying. 4. Visit the websites of your favorite celebs to get in touch. Your celebrity may view and post on message boards on official fan or celebrity websites. Increase your likelihood of connecting with your celebrity and receiving a response by posting on community-focused internet forums like these. 3. Look for the celebrity's most recent comments or reactions to other website users. Inactivity is a strong indicator that there is little prospect of contact. Use other platforms to get in touch with the celebrity in these situations. 5. Look into the platforms that your celebrity utilizes. Choose one or more of the platforms where your celebrity is most active. To see if they have replied to other users, look through their usage history. Particularly on Twitter, users frequently receive a shout-out from their favorite celebs. Focus your efforts on a platform where your star is more active if you observe that they utilize it little or never to communicate with followers. 6. Continually message the celebrity with politeness. Send the celebrity a heartfelt letter detailing your feelings. In your message, kindly request an individual response. When some time has passed, send follow-up messages. Despite the fact that you might think you know this individual well, try to remember that they actually don't know you. After your initial message, follow up 2 weeks to a month later. Summarize what you said earlier. Declare once more that you would value an answer. Just 2 or 3 follow-up emails should be sent each month at most. Sending additional messages could be seen as coming on too strong, but it could also be perceived in a hilarious way. Make the best decision you can. 7. When writing messages, be concise and clear. Longer messages or ones that ramble aimlessly run the risk of being ignored. Concentrate on specific instances, such as the first time you saw the star perform in person or the moment you realized how much you admired their work. Create a message for your celebrity that is interesting and distinctive. Tell them how they've affected your life. Include a childhood tale that is linked. You will become unique among all the other fans if you do this. If you want a response, don't forget to include a brief request, such as, "If you could write me a short, personal message with your signature, I'd really appreciate it." Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.